Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the footer on your Wix website in just a few minutes. Whether you want to declutter your site or create a more personalized design, this is a handy skill for any Wix user. First, log into your Wix account and open the specific site you want to edit. Once you're in the Wix editor, scroll down to the bottom of your page where the footer is located. The footer usually contains contact details, social media links, or copyright information, so take a moment to decide if there's anything you want to move elsewhere before deleting it. Next, hover over the footer and right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options. From this list, select Delete. A confirmation will appear to make sure you really want to remove it. Double check your selection so you don't accidentally delete other sections. Once confirmed, the footer is gone. Take a moment to review your site and make any further adjustments like repositioning other elements or adding a new design in place of the footer. Wix gives you full flexibility to customize your site exactly how you want, and removing the footer is just one way to achieve that clean, personalized look. And that's it. A simple and straightforward way to remove your Wix footer. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your web design journey.